Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an exponential function type question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. Before I get into it though, this we took from the IEB's 2019 Supplementary paper, and with that in mind, now let's dive straight in. Right, so we've already dealt with A in a previous video, probably the video right before this one, so look out for that number. But now we're on to B, and it's specifically determine the equation of the inverse of this function, okay? So they've given us this function of f of x equals y, which equals 558, 1,08 to the x. Now we need to find the inverse. Now the first step whenever you find the inverse is to swap around your x and y. That's the first thing. So we're going to have x is equal to 558, 1,08 to the y. Now we need to solve for y. That's the most important part. So we need to solve for y. So let's remove that 558. So we're going to divide both sides by 558, and that's going to give us x over 558 is 1,08 to the y. Right, now we can represent this directly in our log form. So we're going to get the exponent y is equal to log, okay, the base, which is 1,08, and then we're going to put in our x value, or the value of the power, so that's going to be x over 558, close brackets. Okay, so that in a nutshell gives you your f minus 1 of x, which is your, so we're going to say f minus 1 of x, and that gives you the inverse, and you will get the full marks for this particular question. Really good job. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question. We'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.